Hello, Tom. How are you today? You look great. How's everything going?
Hi, Mary. I'm doing well, thank you. I feel good today. How about you?
I'm feeling good too. I'm happy to be here with you, and I'm excited about today's topic.
Me too. Today's topic is very useful. We will talk about health in English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. Thank you for listening today.
Yes, welcome everyone. We're happy you're here with us. We hope you're doing well.
Today, we're talking about health. Health is something everyone cares about. We talk about it every day.
That's right. We talk about health with friends and family, and also with doctors.
In this episode, we'll use simple English, easy words, easy sentences.
Perfect for beginners. You can listen and repeat, and use it in real life.
Talking about health helps you explain how you feel. You can say when you're sick or when you feel good.
Yes, it's important when you visit a doctor or when someone asks, "How are you?"
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try to speak. That's how you learn.
Exactly. Practice makes you better, little by little.
In part 2, we'll learn basic health words, simple words like sick, tired, and healthy, very common words.
Yes, part 2 will help you describe your body and feelings, so stay with us.
In this part, we will learn basic health words. These words are very common. You hear them every day.
Yes, these words help you talk about your body and how you feel.
Let's start with the word healthy. Healthy means your body feels good. You are not sick.
When you eat well and exercise, you feel healthy. People like to say, "I want to stay healthy."
Now let's talk about the word sick. Sick means your body doesn't feel good. You may have pain or fever.
Yes. For example, you can say, "I feel sick today."
Another common word is tired. Tired means you have no energy. You want to rest.
Many people feel tired after work. You can say, "I'm tired today."
Now let's learn some simple symptoms. A symptom is how your body feels. It shows something is wrong.
A common symptom is headache. It means your head hurts. Many people have headaches.
Another word is fever. Fever means your body is very hot. It often comes with sickness.
You can say, "I have a fever." Doctors hear this a lot.
We also use the word cough. A cough is when you keep coughing. It often happens when you're sick.
Yes, you can say, "I have a cough."
Health is not only about the body, it's also about feelings. Mental health is important.
That's right. Sometimes people feel stressed. Stress means feeling worried or nervous.
You can say, I feel stressed at work. This is very common.
Another word is relaxed. Relaxed means you feel calm, no stress.
Let's practice some easy sentences. You can repeat after us. Listen carefully.
I feel healthy today. I feel tired today. I feel sick today.
These sentences are short and useful. You can use them every day, at home or at work.
Yes, simple English is powerful. It helps people understand you.
In part 3, we will practice real conversations, talking about health in daily life.
Yes, like talking with friends or answering, "How are you?"
In this part, we will practice real conversations. These are daily health conversations. You can use them in real life.
Yes, these conversations are simple and natural, perfect for beginners.
Hi, Tom. How are you today? You look a little tired.
I'm okay, but I feel tired. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh, I see. You should get some rest.
Yes, I will. Thank you for asking.
Tom, you don't look well today. Are you feeling sick?
Yes, a little. I have a headache.
I'm sorry to hear that. Did you take any medicine?
Not yet. I plan to rest first.
Sometimes friends ask about health. They want to be kind.
Yes, you can answer simply and honestly.
For example, you can say, I'm feeling better today.
Or you can say, I'm not feeling well.
At work, people often ask, how are you feeling today?
You can say, I'm fine, thank you. Or I feel a bit tired.
If you're sick, you can explain briefly.
Yes, you can say, I'm not feeling well today.
Sometimes we give simple advice, not like a doctor, just friendly advice.
For example, you should rest more or drink more water.
These sentences are easy. They show care and kindness.
Yes, people feel supported when you say this.
Let's share some useful expressions. Listen and repeat if you like.
I feel better today. I feel worse today.
My head hurts. I feel tired.
These are very common. You hear them often.
In part 4, we will talk about visiting the doctor using simple English.
Yes, this is very important.
In this part, we will talk about visiting the doctor. This is very useful English.
Yes, many people feel nervous at the doctor. Simple English helps.
When you visit a doctor, the doctor may ask, how do you feel?
You can answer simply. For example, I don't feel well.
The doctor may also ask, what's wrong?
You can say, I have a headache or I have a fever.
It's important to explain your symptoms. Use easy words, no long sentences.
Yes, you can say, my stomach hurts.
You can also say, I feel dizzy. It means you feel lightheaded.
These words are common. Doctors understand them easily.
The doctor may talk about medicine. They may ask, are you taking any medicine?
You can say, yes, I am, or no, I'm not.
The doctor might say, take this medicine twice a day.
Twice a day means 2 times a day, morning and night.
Doctors often give advice. They want you to feel better.
They may say, get more rest or drink more water.
You should listen carefully and follow the advice.
Yes, this helps you recover faster.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Okay, let's try.
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well.
What's wrong?
I have a sore throat and I feel tired.
I see. You should rest and take this medicine.
In part 5, we will give our final thoughts.
Yes, we will also talk to our listeners.
We've reached the final part of today's podcast. Thank you for staying with us until the end. We're really happy you're here.
Yes, thank you so much. We appreciate your time and support. It means a lot to us.
Today, we talked about health in English. We learned basic health words. We practiced daily conversations.
We also talked about visiting the doctor and how to explain symptoms using simple English.
Talking about health is very important. You use it in daily life with friends, family, and doctors.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Just try to speak. Practice builds confidence.
Start with short sentences. Say how you feel. Use the words you learned today.
Practice a little every day. Even a few minutes helps. Consistency is the key.
We hope this episode helps you and makes English feel easier.
Yes, learning English should be enjoyable, not stressful.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please share it with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Podcast English Talk, for more easy English conversations.
Thank you again for listening. Take care of your health and keep learning.
See you next time. Stay healthy and confident. Goodbye, everyone.